What's going on, Crypto Yang gang? It's your boy Crypto Yang. First of all, I want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed, has liked, shared the videos, has viewed the videos. We're at 108 subscribers. That's huge. And I'm very, very happy right now. We'll be doing an Ethereum giveaway at a random time in a random video that I post today. Could be this one. Could be the ones that I just posted. I'm just going to throw it in there. I might have said I'm not going to put it on this one, or I might have said, but you got to watch the video all the way through to see if I do drop that Ethereum announcement out of nowhere. So, this is my update on LendConnect today. Today's rate was 1.6%. All right. If we look into my lending wallet, I got 1.6% for $16.80. I get a 0.1% bonus, $1.05. The reason why it's now $1.05 instead of $1.04 or $1.03 is because yesterday I reinvested $10, so now I'm at a total of $1,050 in my loan. I had a total of $28.65 in my balance, and what I did was I exchanged that for LCT tokens. All right, you have to have a minimum of $25 in order to get it. I keep buying more and more LCT tokens because the price is just low right now, and I can see this thing at least going to $20. So at this point, you can almost 4 times your money. Actually, you can more than 4 times your money. So 400% if it goes up to $20. You see what I'm saying? So make sure you guys are keeping an eye on this price. Also, another update. LendConnect is very, very serious about delisting from coinexchange and moving all their volume onto this platform and into the internal exchange. If this happens within the next 11 days, this is going to be huge for LendConnect. This is different from anybody else. They're actually going to be coming off of an exchange to launch their own exchange, which means all the money, all the fees, all that will go to LendConnect. All right, that's a good thing because that's going to make them be able to stay in business longer. You see what I'm saying? Anyway, quick rundown. I started off with $1,000. I had a 0.1% daily interest bonus. I'm locked in for 100 days. Currently, I have $1,050 in my loan. My start date was on January 26th. I will be able to get my money back out on May 6th. And I have 172 tokens in my balance right now. Currently, it's only worth $7.88. But if this amount were to change to $10, this would be double. If it goes up to $20, you can multiply this by 4. So I'm like $3,000 if it goes up to $20. You see what I'm saying? So I'm holding these coins. I'm going to see what happens with LendConnect. If you guys want to ride with me, I have links in the description and in the comments as well. I found a new high-risk website that just started yesterday. Now, it's not as safe as LendConnect or any of the ICOs that I have listed, but we're going to give it a shot. You never know, throw a little bit of money into it, come out with double your money. Right now, I have $50 invested in this website, ElderHash, and I'll put a link in the description if you want to try this out too. This is a very high risk, high reward website. Websites like these, they stop paying out at like 20 days, 40 days, and they up and disappear. Something like Space Mining or Azure Mining, if you ever heard of those, or Sierra Hash, those kind of websites. All right, so I'll have a link in the description for that. And by the way, boom! It's time for my Ethereum giveaway. So what I need you to do is to go ahead and comment your Ethereum withdrawal. I'm so damn excited. Excuse me. What I'm gonna need you to do is add your Ethereum wallet address in the comments. Give me a shout out. Give me some kind of comment, and we are going to do a giveaway tomorrow. So you have less than 24 hours to get your address in the comments. We are gonna pick a random comment. Do not add your address more than once. If you do, you will automatically be disqualified. Make sure you share this video, like this video, comment your address on the video. All right? Appreciate everybody subscribing. Keep having your friends subscribe. Tell them to jump in on this video and comment on the video with their Ethereum wallet address. And man, it's an exciting time. I hope all of y'all are watching. Make sure you keep that notification bell on so that you get updates from me, because you never know when I'm going to do the Ethereum giveaways. You never know. I might throw one in randomly. But yes, it's time for the Ethereum giveaway. Go ahead and put your comments in this video with your Ethereum address. Damn, I'm excited. Anyway, back to business. Yeah, LendConnect. I got Elder Hash. It's a new website. Try that out if you want to. I'm not a professional financial consultant or advisor. I'm simply giving you my own personal opinion. Do not risk any money if you're not willing to lose it. But if I were you, this is what I would do. Or I'd give this a shot too, because I already am giving this a shot. So, man, I'm still excited about this Ethereum giveaway, you guys. It's going to be a random amount to a random person. It's not going to be huge because I'm a brand new channel. I just started last week. I got 108 subscribers today. So we're growing. It's a growing community. I appreciate everyone watching. I appreciate everyone subscribing. I appreciate everyone sharing and liking the videos. Make sure you comment your Ethereum address on this video. Cryptoyang gang, signing out. I'll see y'all in the next video, and maybe even the video after that, and maybe even the video after that. We're gonna do this Ethereum giveaway within 24 hours. Could be within the next hour, could be within the next 12 hours, could be within the next 24 hours. So get those comments in, get that Ethereum address in the comments. Tell your friends, tell your family, throw their comment.